Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add blank screen in Shotcut. So if you want to add blank screen in Shotcut, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to add your video from your playlist down to your timeline, and the video has been added to the timeline. Now to add playlist or to add blank screen in between this video, here's a step to do that. So you have to move your playlist down to this any part of the video where you want to insert a blank screen. So right here, I want to insert a blank screen in here. So now that my playhead is here, so I'm just going to click on this to split at the playhead. So this is the playhead and this is the split icon. So I'm just going to click on this. Now I'm going to create a simple space in between this video, and right here is where blank screen is located. So I'm just going to drag back my playhead down to this place, then I'm going to hit and play. So you can see that is how to add blank screen in between videos in Shotcut. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.